Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. It has been dropping and it is heading down, guys. So we're going to take a look at it. We're going to see if there's any potential for profit on it for those of you guys that are lucky enough to have enough money in on Bitcoin now. Also, we'll look at support and resistance levels and where it could go. Okay. So for those of you guys that are new, what I do is I jump into trades on cryptos, on stocks. I draw bases on charts, and more often than not, once a price action breaks that base, it'll usually swing back up and touch that point, my take profit point, okay? So that way you guys can feel secure that you're buying within the dip. Otherwise, you're kind of like, I guess I'm buying in the right point, right place. So let me go ahead. I'm going to share my screen with you and we will get going. Okay, let me share. Here we go. Bam. Oop, there it is. All right, here's Bitcoin. I'm over on TradingView. I'm over here. I've got Bitcoin USD. I've got Bitcoin USDT. So I'm going to look at Bitcoin USDT, and we are looking at the one-day chart, guys, okay? So what I do is I draw bases, like I said a little bit ago. Let me move that just a little bit. These, don't have to be exact, but I draw bases on charts. And more often than not, once price action breaks that base, it'll usually swing back up, okay? And I'm going to show you guys that, like right here. Let me show you what's going on over here. Look at today. Look at what it's been doing just like the last 48 hours, just moving down. The lowest it went down to was 20, what was it? Almost just under 25,000, okay? It has not been that low since, where are we at? December 26th, 2020, okay? December 27th, somewhere in that range. Okay, so let me share with you guys what's going on here. I draw bases, and once the price action breaks that base, it'll usually swing back up like it did there. It swung down, lingered for a while, and then shot back up. Over here, it broke that base and came down here and came back up. This was a big one, broke there, 52,000, swung all the way down to 28,560 roughly, and then everyone sold. And then what did it do? It came back up and it touched almost right there, but then it came back down again, and then it ultimately came back up and touched over here. So it went from like roughly May of 2021, and it took all the way until October of 2021, okay? But at least it came back. Everyone was freaking out. They probably sold, but it came back, and then they weren't mad that they sold at a loss. Okay, let me get this over here. Here's another one, broke right there and came back up. Here's one, it broke, real long, real quick one, shot way down. It went from roughly 51,000 all the way down to 42,000 roughly, and then it came right back up. Here's one, it broke this base, bounced around for a while, but it ultimately came back up. There's another one, came down, came back up. So if that's something you guys have not seen before, if you guys have not kind of analyzed things like this before, it lets you know that more often than not, price action will break these bases and come back up. And if you haven't seen that before, please look down below the video. There's a thumbs up icon. If you could smash it with your mouse or you tap it with your finger, it lets me know that you guys are valuing what I'm providing you. And it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. They start sharing my videos with other people, probably how you guys came across me right now. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look and see where it's at, where it could go. This is kind of what I'm seeing, guys. I'm kind of seeing this as kind of the top area, around 38,125. If history repeats itself, as it has many times, it should be able to swing back up to there, okay? Should. This isn't advice. This is just my opinion, and it works a lot, okay? Only time I haven't seen it really work is when there's something major going on, like Luna just dropped all the way down to basically zero. So that was a situation that was out of anyone's control, but it did drop. Okay, I might be doing a video here on Luna. I got a little news alert that came across my desk. I think you'll find it interesting. Okay, but make sure you're subscribed to the channel. This is the bottom right down here. I'm kind of seeing this as the bottom, somewhere around 20,919. It could get to that. It could break that base, and it could shoot down a little bit lower, anywhere down here in the 14, 15 range. But if it does shoot down below that, you should be able to come back up and at least take profit up here at the bottom, 20,919, okay? So if it breaks below this line and it's lingering down here for a little time, it should be able to at least come back to this point. Ultimately, it should be able to get back up to this top, but that could be a long waiting game, okay? It could be quick. It could be a long waiting game, all right? Where it's at right now, it's at, let me move this up, 26,121, okay? I see a potential swing back if this thing turns around, because look, there has been support in these areas right in here, right here, right here, right in here, right in here. We broke it over here, but it could come back up. Tomorrow morning, we could wake up and this thing could be back up around the 30,000 mark. But if it does, right now we're at 26, this thing should be able to bounce back to the 28,020 mark, okay? So it's just a matter of waiting game, guys. If it drops lower, you should be able to hit this line. If it starts to go back up, you should definitely be able to hit this line, but ultimately this thing should swing back up. But remember, it might take a while. This one over here went from May of 21 all the way over to October of 21, okay? So what is that? That's 5 months roughly, somewhere in that range, 4 months, something like that. Okay, let's look over here. Let's look on the right side here and let's see what's going on today. Look at all these coins that are in the red. There is a huge bear market going on. There is something going on globally that is causing these things to continue to drop. It's a number of things. I think bigger things are in play, bigger things that are bigger than we've experienced in stocks in a long time. It's my opinion that there's manipulation going on out there, but don't be surprised. These things could go down even lower, okay? So I am hearing that from various sources that crypto coins, a majority of the altcoins, the shit coins, could end up just going bye-bye at some point. So I'm doing more investments on certain ones that I'm holding long-term, but I am down right now. I'm down on a lot of coins and I'm just holding and I'm waiting for them to hopefully come back up, or at some point I may end up doubling down on them, buying low down in the dip. So let's say, for example, I bought up here. I was waiting for the swing back over here, but it's way down here now. So what I could do is I could buy in down here, ride it up, average the 2 trades, and I should be able to calculate where I need to be able to take profit, okay? But I'm down on a lot of coins like you guys are, okay? Also, over on my YouTube channel, if you click on my username below this video, you will come to a page like this, okay? Then, if you click on the videos tab, you'll see all my price predictions. Okay, you guys can come in here, see when they take profit, I do it, take profit, take profit, took profit, took profit, took profit, took profit again, took profit, took profit, took profit, took profit, took profit. So my method does work, and it's worked very well for me. So go and check out some of my other videos if you guys want. I am doing it more on the 1-day chart now. I have been on these, but doing it on the 4-day chart. Also, please go follow me on my Instagram channel. It's called Investing Points with an S. Go search for me over there and then follow me. And what you guys can do is I will put together videos for you guys. If you guys are stuck in on a coin right now and you are like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to take profit, let me know down in the comments below. Say, hey, I'm in on Ren, or I'm in on whatever it is, whatever coin you're in on, and tell me what price you bought it at, okay? And I will look and I will see if there's still potential that you guys might be able to hold and not sell and be able to take profit, okay? It's just my opinion. It's not advice, but you guys can come in here and you guys can see other coins that I've done price predictions on for you guys. So I'll either do a video over here, a quick 1-minute video for you guys, or I'll do it over on my YouTube channel right here and I'll post it in here. If I have the time, I'll do a longer one, okay? So I hope that helps you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, smack the bell, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. All right, bye-bye.